Welcome to Bong Cookhouse. Today I will make a family recipe called Bandacopi or mango cabbage curry. It's a side dish that is served along with steamed rice or other rice recipes, bread and Indian bread like luchi, paratha, puri, kachori, roti, kulcha and tandoori. It can be part of both day-to-day as well as special meals. If you like this recipe, then please subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Do not forget to click the bell icon to like, share and leave your comments below. Heat oil about 7 tablespoons. Take diced potato 1, skin is peeled off. Add turmeric powder about half teaspoon and salt half teaspoon. Mix well. Pour into the oil. Fry in medium to high heat till golden brown. Take off the pan and keep aside. Add oil about 10 tablespoons to the remaining oil left in the pan. Add ghee 1 teaspoon. Heat them. Add cashew 1/3 cup. Saute in medium to high heat till golden brown. Take off the pan and keep aside. Add bay leaf 1, red chilli 2, split into 2. Crushed cardamom 3, cloves 3, cinnamon stick 1, panch foron half teaspoon, fennel seeds half teaspoon, nigella seeds or kalo jeera half teaspoon, crushed cumin 1.5 teaspoon, and crushed coriander seeds 1.5 teaspoon. Saute in low to medium heat till golden brown. Instead of different masalas, it can be made with only cumin. Sometimes I add carom seeds or ajwain or hing or asafoetida. Add onion paste half cup and ginger paste 2 tablespoons. Saute in medium to high heat for 3 minutes or till the raw smell of onion and ginger goes away. Add turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, Kashmiri red chilli powder 2 teaspoons. Saute in medium to high heat for 1 minute. Add tomato paste 1 cup. Saute in medium to high heat for 5 minutes or till the oil separates from the masala. Onion, ginger and tomato are made paste in mixer and grinder without water. Take diced mango 2, medium, skin is peeled off, without seeds. Add to the masala. Add the fried potato, salt half teaspoon, water 1 cup. Mix well. Cook for 5 minutes in medium to high heat with a lid on. This is done because mango's cooking time is more than cabbage. Add diced cabbage, half cabbage, large, or 6 cups. Salt, half teaspoon. Fried cashew and golden raisin, 1/4 cup. Mix well. Add frozen peas, half cup, defrosted in microwave for 1 minute. Green chilli, 2, split into 2. Mix well. Sometimes I add diced carrot and beetroot as well. Cumin and coriander seeds are crushed in mixer and grinder using the chopping option. Cumin 12 times and coriander seeds 24 times. They were crushed and stored in bulk in airtight jars. Cover the pan with a lid and cook for 4 minutes in medium to high heat. Cabbage will cook in its own water. After 4 minutes, open the lid, stir for 1 minute so that the cabbage does not get stuck at the bottom of the pan. Cover the pan again and cook for the remaining 4 minutes in medium to high heat. After 4 minutes, open the lid, stir for 1 minute. Taste it. Add whatever is required. My mango cabbage is good. I will serve it hot with steamed rice or other rice recipes, bread and Indian bread like luchi, paratha, puri, kachori, roti, kulcha and tandoori. Garnish it with chopped coriander leaves or cilantro and green chilli. It serves about 5 to 6 people. Please try it at home. Share it with your friends and family. The links and recipe are given in the description box. Bye for now. Stay healthy, eat healthy, and enjoy life.